In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into clear, natural sounding audio using ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and type or paste in the text you want to turn into audio. This could be a short announcement, a narration, a lesson, or any script you want read aloud. As you prepare the text, try to keep it clean and easy to understand. Shorter sentences, clear punctuation, and natural wording will usually produce better spoken results. If your draft feels stiff or too formal, that is completely fine because you can improve it in the next step. Once your text is in ChatGPT, ask it to polish the writing so it sounds natural when spoken. This is important because text that looks good on a screen does not always sound good out loud. You want the wording to feel smooth, conversational, and easy for a listener to follow. You can ask for a version that sounds more relaxed, more professional, or more suited to your audience. The goal here is to make the script sound like something a real person would comfortably say. After that, use ChatGPT voice or a text to speech feature if it is available in your version. This is the step where your text becomes spoken audio. Depending on the tool you are using, you may be able to choose a voice style or simply let the default voice read it aloud. Make sure you listen in a quiet environment so you can catch small issues like awkward pauses, unclear phrasing, or words that do not sound quite right. Now, play the generated spoken response all the way through. As you listen, pay attention to pacing, tone, pronunciation, and overall flow. You are not just checking whether the audio works, but whether it actually sounds good and matches the purpose of your content. When you are satisfied enough to move forward, record or save the audio using your device or another approved tool. Exactly how you do this may depend on your setup, but the main idea is to capture a usable copy of the spoken result so you can review it more carefully. Next, review the audio quality. Listen for volume consistency, clarity, and any distracting background sounds or unnatural delivery. If the pacing or tone feels off, go back and edit the script. Small wording changes can make a big difference in how natural the voice sounds. Once everything sounds clear and well-paced, generate the final version. At that point, your audio should be ready to use.